In this short tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can join a multiplayer match and how you can create your own multiplayer match to play with your friends. So first of all, you want to click on multiplayer and go to internet. Right here you have already the list of all the games available for the moment. So right here you can just click on the game and then click down here on join. You can also click on quick join. As you can see, we can then select the starting age and then click confirm, and then we will find a match. The other option is to create your own game or to join by a code. So right here you can type in your game code, which has been given by your friend, for example. Type in this code right here and then click on confirm. And the second option to create a game is to click down here on create game. Then you have to select your rule set. Right now you just have this one option available, the starting age. So you have three different options right here: antiquity, exploration, and modern. Down here you can type in your game name and if the game should be private or open. So if you have this game open, this will be available for all players in this list on the left side. Then you can enable or disable kick to vote, turn timer, so standard, dynamic, and none. So if you want to have a timer for every round, then difficulty of the AI, game speed, and so on. So just go through all these options. Down here you can type in a game seed and you can even load a config right here. Right now I think because the game is so fresh, nobody selects this option. In a few months you can also click on additional content, and right here you can probably select some mods and add-ons to play with. Right now we just have this premium content of the deluxe version, Napoleon, and so on. Then you want to click on host lobby. So right now we want to create a private game, host lobby. Now as you can see, we are joining the game lobby, not the game. And right here we can see all the rules on the left side. We can see the players in the lobby. Right now we have 5 AIs. Right on the right side you can select your civ and your leader, and on the top left code you have this option to show your join code. So if you're a streamer, you don't want to press this code, otherwise just click on this option and the code will be available. Then down here you can chat, and to start the game you have to press start ready. To invite people you have to go to this list and then you can just select the people you want to play with. Click on this video right now if you don't want to miss the best options to turn on and turn off in Civilization 7.